Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add or remove C translation on Instagram bio. Open up the Instagram app. Basically, there's no such process to do that because it's automatically built into your Instagram. If you want to translate anyone's bio, it is basically based on the language you choose for your account. So let's say if you have chosen Spanish as your language. And when you see the bio of others in English, it automatically generates the C translation option, which converts the bio into your language. It's not something you can turn on or turn off. So the person who's viewing your bio got the C translation option and clicked to translate the bio and view it in their default language. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe and share.